Hello students, myself is Sovarani. I am from Gyan Niketan. Today I will teach you class 12 political science. The first chapter of our syllabus contemporary world politics book is the Cold War era. First we have to understand that how in world the phase of Cold War was started. The first thing, as you know that from 1939 to 1945 we had faced Second World War. This Second World War was fought between two groups. The first group was Allied forces, in which the country like Britain, France, USA and USSR was there. And in second Axis group, Germany, Italy and Japan. This war was very devastating. It created a lots of loss of the human as well as finances of the world. And after in 1945, when the war was almost about to an end phase, the USA dropped two bombs on Japan, two nuclear atom bombs, and due to this bomb, then the question is why it dropped. What was the reason? When Japan was almost about to surrender, the true motive of the USA behind it, because USA wants to create its monopoly on the world, and second thing, it also wants to create a fear in the mind of USSR. That's why the war ended with the great devastation that two atom bomb on Japan, and the war came to an end. After that, it resulted into the two superpower in the world, the USA, which was based on democracy and capitalism. And USSR was based on the philosophy of socialist and communist. So that's why it was the reason that when world was divided into two blocks, it was the phase of Cold War. Then the first topic of our book is Cuban Missile Crisis. Question is this, that why the Cold War era start from 1945, then why we are talking about the phase of 1961? Why we are not talking about the 1945 and all? Because this Cuban Missile Crisis is considered as high point of the Cold War. As we know that during the Cold War, both these superpower, USA and USSR, they had a lots of weapons, and many countries who are getting decolonized, they are pulling those countries under their poles, and that's why the world was divided. So Cuba is a country. First we have to understand location of Cuba. Cuba is a country which was located near to USA. ये आप देखेंगे मैप में तो यूएसए के नीचे क्यूबा है, and Cuba was completely a communist country, and the president of Cuba was Fidel Castro. Then USSR, the full form of USSR is Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. USSR had a fear in its mind that it may be possible that USA could invade communist country, and it overthrew Fidel Castro government, and USSR can lose one of its ally. That's why due to this tension, the President Nikita Khrushchev was the president of USSR. The president of USSR was, you have to remember all this name, Nikita Khrushchev, and the president of USA was John F. Kennedy. J.F. Kennedy. Now the world turned into their action. So Nikita Khrushchev, he wants that Soviet Union should convert क्यूबा इंटू अ रशियन बेस, मतलब इन्होंने चाहा कि वो क्यूबा को कहाँ क्या कन्वर्ट कर दें, अ रशियन बेस, और उन्होंने वहाँ पे शुरू कर दिया अपने मिसाइल्स को वहाँ पे इंस्टॉलेशन किया, एंड द यूएस फर्स्ट टाइम इट कम इनटू प्रेशर. This action of Nikita Khrushchev created a tension in the mind of USA, because even the US and the ministers and anyone from US, they don't want any full scale war. The world was not ready for any full scale war. That's why after 3 weeks of installation Soviet Union weapons, American President John F. Kennedy, he advised that it is a time to take action. He wait for 3 weeks. He don't want to any war, but in spite of it, he was determined to remove Khrushchev, and that's why John F. Kennedy ordered American warship. इन्होंने क्या किया कि अमेरिकन वारशिप को ऑर्डर दिया कि दे हैव टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट एनी सोवियत शिप टू एंटर इनटू क्यूबा. वारशिप टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट एनी सोवियत शिप टू क्यूबा. And it was a position when head-on, one both these countries came in front of each other, and it was a time it may clash or it may turn into any hot war, which can create a great problem not only in the continent but it create problem in entire world. Then why in entire world? Because the complete world was divided into 2 poles, the capitalist pole and the communist pole. That's why this clash created a problem in the world, and that's why eventually the USSR forced to call back its army, and it called back its army, and it created a position in which देयर वॉज नो हॉट वार टर्न. मतलब उसके बाद ये ऐसा हुआ कि कोई भी तीसरे वार की स्थिति नहीं आई, बट ये क्यूबा क्राइसिस जो है वो एक छाप छोड़ा वर्ल्ड में. ये इसलिए कि ये एक हाई पॉइंट था, और इस समय पहली बार यूएसए और यूएसएसआर दोनों की सेनाएं जो हैं वो आमने सामने किसी भी समय वार करने की स्थिति में थी. लेकिन द वर्ल्ड साइंटिस्ट दे थिंक दैट सच टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन इज not perfect for the world, because world has faced 2 wars earlier. So they were started to think about many arms control treaties, and it was a time when they thought about arms control treaties. So that's all for today's. We will in the next video I will talk you about the Cold War and arm race and arm control and the arenas of Cold War. That's all for today. Thank you.